In this video, we'll be starting a new topic, which is doubly linked list. So we've covered singly linked lists in which we had nodes and a next pointer and data, and each node was pointing towards the other node. In singly linked list, our nodes were pointing towards a single direction, but in doubly linked list, they point towards double directions. So the difference in singly and doubly linked lists are that in doubly linked list we have 2 pointers instead of 1. In singly we had one next pointer, which was this one. These were the next pointers. But in doubly linked list we have 2 pointers, which is next and a previous pointer. So each node is pointing towards the next node, and each next node is also pointing towards its previous nodes. So here the next node for 0 is 1, for 1 it's 2, for 2 it's null, and the previous node for 2 is 1, for 1 it's 0, and for 0 it's null. So this is the only difference between singly and doubly linked list. Singly only had next pointer, while doubly had next and previous pointer. So the only change we'll have in the structure is that we'll have another pointer created, which will be previous. Another small difference that we're going to have in this is the insert function. So when we'll insert data, let's see, we already have 1 and 2. 0 is pointing towards 1, the previous of 0 is null, 0, and this is pointing towards null. We'll take a new node where we'll have null and null at first, and we'll add our data here, which will be 3. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take the next of last, because last is pointing here right now and our first pointer is pointing here. We're going to take the next of last. Let's call this new node, and we're going to assign it the value of new node. Then we're going to take the previous of new node, this one. So we're going to do new node previous, and we're going to assign it the value of last. Why last? Because I need this to be 1, because it's going to be pointing here. I need this to be 1 and I need this to be 2. This I'm changing to 2 from this line of code. This I'm changing to 1 from this line of code. And now I want the value of last to change from this to this, because this is now last. So now I'm going to do last is equals to new node. So that is the only change we'll have. This was the insert at end code for singly linked list. Let's copy, paste it here. So we have here, we took current as new node, we added the data, we have the condition that if the linked list is empty, we're going to do this. This is going to remain the same for doubly linked list. Now here we just need to make some changes in else. So as I wrote here, we're going to do last next is equals to new node, which is current here. Then we're going to do current dot previous will be equal to last, and then we'll change the value of last to current. The display function for this is similar, because we are displaying using just the next pointers. So now let's test it, see if it's working. And let's display. Here we have our linked list 1, 2, 3. So this is the only difference between singly and doubly linked lists. In singly we just have one pointer, which is the next pointer, and in doubly we have next and previous pointer.